Welcome to the water cycle simulation. This simulation examines the various parts of the water cycle. The simulation has two levels. Level 1 is a slightly simplified version of the cycle, while Level 2 goes into greater depth. Begin by selecting the correct level. The simulation opens showing the 5 major parts of the water cycle. Select one part, such as condensation, and then select the experiment or experiments in that section. In this case, the forming clouds experiment is selected. Select the appropriate value for each experimental factor affecting that part of the cycle. Next, select the Run button at the bottom of the screen to evaluate your selections. An efficiency rating of 100% is the desired goal for each part of the cycle. Once happy with your selections for that part of the water cycle, select the Main Menu button and select the next part of the cycle for experimentation. Once you have investigated all 5 parts of the water cycle, select the Run Cycle button to have your overall water cycle efficiency evaluated.